ako na ito dapat ito boy.
Did you know? Open burning is strictly prohibited under Republic Act 9003, also known as the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000. This law bans the burning of garbage, leaves, plastic, and other waste material. Open burning releases harmful chemicals like carbon monoxide, dioxins, and other toxic substances that can cause respiratory and heart diseases. It contributes to air pollution and climate change and increases the risk of wildfires and accidental damage to properties. Take action today. Practice proper waste segregation and disposal. Stop open burning and be part of the solution to protect our health, environment, and community.